watching Wrangler Star playing with chainsaws, so made my own chainsaw, electric, and it goes, but it's not like torquey or anything. I just made it so it works, you know. Chain's not tight because the bar is custom made, you know. So dangerous. So ridiculous. I think I just pulled this up. There's no spur gear up here, so oh, that's so much fun. Little prototype, you know, RC battery, 5,000 mAh, you know. Oh god. Oh god, that's fun. Harvest a broken drill, took the motor off of it. The wires are smoking. Or they're stinking, at least, like oil. Yep. Custom made. Woo! Custom made. See how loose the chain is? That's bad. It's only that loose because there's no spur gear up here, so I need it real loose to actually work. Just a nice little prototype, you know. Little backpacking chainsaw, man. Woo! Backpacking chainsaw.